everybody. Today I'm going to be unboxing a fursuit I ordered, and her name is Luna. It was a pre-made suit I ordered off of Etsy, and yeah, so this is the box right here. Big box. It has a little drawing on the front that looks really cute. Yeah, so I wasn't expecting that drawing, so I was happy when I saw that. So the first thing I see is feet paws. So yeah, these are little foot paws. They look very good. They are outdoor, so you can walk outside. One of them look like. Here's some like padding. Where is the other foot paw? Here's the other foot paw right here. So here is both of them. They look really good. Oh yeah, and one thing to say, I ordered this partial for like $400, so like I think it's a good price for what I'm getting because it's really good. Yeah, so here are the foot paws, feet paws, whatever you call them. At the end of the video, I'll be putting all of everything on what I've gotten. Let's go on to the paws. Now these are the paws, big paws. They're like nice around here. Oh, these are so good. They're so big too. They're really good paws. Yeah, so the paws, they're really nice. I like them. Just trying to figure out how to put my hand in there. But yeah, so here are the paws. Nice big puffy paws. Yeah, so these paws are actually really cute. They're really soft too. Yeah, they're really nice. They're comfortable. Yeah, so head last. Now here's the tail. It's a pretty big tail actually. There's a belt loop right here, so you can bag it. I don't think I have my belt here right now. I'll have to get a different belt. And now let's go on to the head. So the head is in the bottom, and here's the head. So yeah, here's the head, and I will put her on. So hello, here I am in the head. So she's really cute looking. I do have to make a new strap because the strap is just like a Velcro strap, and I would rather make a just better strap for it. So yes, here's the head. So I can't really move the jaw right now just because of that. And yes, she looks very good. So yeah, there's actually very good vision in here. I think I can see really well. The only thing I will have to fix is the strap, just so it will fit better. These paws are actually really good, better than I thought. So now I will do a full suit up into her. Yeah, so here's her a little bit more up close. There's a little like moon right here. I bought it because I already had a persona character. I don't know, mostly a character, I think. I don't know. One that looked like this. So I bought her. Now she is here. So yeah, I will do a full suit up and show you guys what the whole suit looks like. I'm just going to show my Fursuit head, what's up on the dealers then. It was my first head, so it's not the best, but it's still good for somebody who just wants a cheaper head. And I also have my head base up for sale now in the dealers then. $200 Canadian, you can buy it out for $300. The other head you can buy it for $200, or you can make an offer. So yeah, we're willing to ship anywhere. So if you want to buy it, you can buy it on the dealers then.